Right now we are cutting a 1.5 mm stainless steel sheet by our 1 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine, and this manual shorting or this cutting path is set by me just to show you how fast and powerful servo motors this machine have. And in the end of this video I'm gonna show you the power of this servo motor in this fiber laser cutting machine which we are using. So hello everyone, I am Vivek Chaudhary and you are watching SL Engineering, and this is our one more fiber laser cutting machine installation, and this machine is installed in Dehradun. This is our second machine in Dehradun, and guys, see the acceleration and see the speed of this fiber laser cutting machine. It jumps from one point to another point at a very high speed. And guys, this is just 1 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine, and I'm gonna give you the complete information about this fiber laser cutting machine, and at the end of this video I'm also give you an idea about the pricing of this machine. So watch the video till end. Start from its moving speed. Right now you can see it very clearly. This is moving on 100 meter per minute. Normally if you compare this to other machine, so you just get only 50 to 60 meter per minute, but in our this premium machine we move to 100 meter per minute. This is point number one. And right now we are cutting this 1.5 mm stainless steel sheet on 16 meter per minute at 12 bar pressure of nitrogen. Of course it is just a 1 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine. And now we have finished, almost finished this sheet, and now come on mild steel cutting. Again this is also 1.5 mm mild steel sheet, and we are doing fly cutting on this sheet. You can see no pierce, direct cut, and we can easily cut up to 1.5 mm mild steel and the same stainless steel without piercing by 1 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine. Up to 1.5 mm we can easily cut. And tell me in the comment guys, at what thickness you start to cut with piercing. Just tell me in the comments, let me see. This time the cutting speed on this mild steel sheet is 8 meter per minute at 5 bar of oxygen pressure. And for a very long period of time I want to talk about the cutting head of this fiber laser cutting machine, because I'm continuously seeing this. And again this is BMH 111 series, one of my favorite fiber laser cutting head. Most of the other companies using this fiber laser cutting head for 2 kilowatt and above machines, but we are using this for our 1 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine also. This is a Swiss company, Raytool. It's a very good brand from Switzerland. And in our second machine which we installed in this April this year, we are using the same fiber laser cutting head. And tell me in the comments how many of you have watched that video from Dehradun, and this is our second installation in Dehradun. So tell me in the comments. And now come on next thing. Now I am going to show you a speed difference in different fiber laser cutting heads or the other machines. For this we are using follow to check the speed difference. Now this is step 1. You can see this is very slow movement from up to down or down to up by the fiber laser cutting head. This is one speed. Now I am going to increase the speed in BCS 100 setting. There is a general speed and acceleration setting for fiber laser cutting head in BCS 100. We can adjust the speed from there, and now you can see the difference. You can clearly see how fast this time this cutting head is. And you can also do with your machine also, but for that you need a powerful hardware configuration, you need powerful motors, plus you need a very rugged structure for your fiber laser cutting head. Then you can do all these settings. And friends, we are using heavy plate welded machine structure with a very fast and powerful servo system with the best match fiber laser source and head for our fiber laser cutting machine. This is why we are able to run our fiber laser machine to its peak performance. example is in front of you. Now I'm going to show you a complete overview of this machine. This is a 1 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine from Leiden. You can see the branding there on this display. Here Leiden branding is in front of this. We have a joint venture here in India with Leiden. We are selling the machine of Leiden and they our machine also from SL. And this is the wider view, and in this side this is our company branding, SL, an engineering solution company. Now I am going to show you the servo motors specification of this laser cutting machine. And it has a y-axis in gantry, means dual motors you can see in y-axis, gantry axis. This is y1 servo motor, and here is the details. You can see 1300 watt and 8.34 Newton meter of torque. This is guys 1300 watt single servo motor, means two servo motors 2600 watt. So it has a total 2600 watt gantry axis. This is second one, y2 motor. You can see the details, 1300 watt and 8.34 Newton meter. So total we are getting a gantry of 2600 watt. Normally in other machines you get a gantry of total 1500 watt or 1700 watt, but we are giving you the total gantry y-axis of 2600 watt. It is a very big difference. That's why our fiber laser cutting machines are little expensive. And this is the water chiller of this fiber laser cutting machine, Tongfai. So this is our 1 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine guys from Leiden. And now at the end I am going to give you an idea about the pricing of this fiber laser cutting machine. This is our regular one model of 1 kilowatt, and its price is somewhere around in between 35 to 40 lakh Indian national rupees. Little higher side if you compare to other machines, because it's a very heavy configuration machine. Also we have some budget segment machines. For more details you can contact us. All contact information is in description of this video. And at the end, if you are still watching this video, so like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Our next installation video is coming very shortly. Till then, bye bye, take care. Signing off, Vivek Chaudhary. Thank you.